everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll discuss about BPT theorem, which is known as Basic Proportionality Theorem or Thales Theorem. So theorems are given almost all the year in the board exams and it carries 4 marks. So BPT theorem is one of them and it is very important for this year. So let us discuss. So the statement of BPT theorem goes like this. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So it says that a triangle is given to you, okay, and it says if a line is drawn one side to the parallel to one side of a triangle. So in a triangle there are 3 sides. So if I draw a line parallel to any one side, either it could be like this, or like this, any one side of the triangle. So for simplicity, I'm making DE, which is parallel to BC. Then the two sides are divided in the same ratio. So which are the remaining two sides? AB and AC. So they are divided in the same ratio, means AD by DB equals to AE by EC. So let us see how to solve these theorems. So first of all, we'll write what is given. So a triangle is given ABC in which DE and BC are parallel. So DE is parallel to BC. Then DE intersect AB at D and it intersect AC at E. Okay, it intersect AB at D and it intersect AC at E. And we have to prove AD by DB equals to AE by EC. So in order to prove this, we'll have to make some construction. So what we do, we join BE and CD as you can see in the figure, and then we'll draw EP, which is perpendicular to the side AB, and we'll draw DQ, which is perpendicular to the side AC. Now if you see this portion clearly, what do you have to prove? You have to prove AD by BD and AE by EC. So anyhow you need this AD by BD, right? And you also need AE and EC. So if you can see, AD is a part of triangle ADE and DB is a part of triangle BDE, right? So if we need this to, what do we have to do? We have to consider this to triangle. How? We'll see now. So first of all, since EP is perpendicular to AB, so this EP is perpendicular to this line AB. So what does it mean? It means that EP is the height of triangle ADE and EP is the height of triangle DBE. See carefully, it is the height of triangle ADE, from where you'll get AD, okay, and height of triangle DBE, from where you'll get DB. But how we'll get? Okay, see. So if we take the area of triangle ADE, area of this triangle ADE, we know that area of a triangle formula is half into base into height. So in ADE, if EP is the height, which one is the base? AD. So are we not getting AD? So if you put down half into AD into EP. Done. Now we'll consider which triangle? BDE. Again same formula, area of triangle BD is half into base into height. So now if EP is the height of this triangle, so which one is the base? DB. So half into base is DB into height. Now we have AD, we need it. We have DB, we need it. But we need it in the form of ratio. So what we can do is, we can divide this two equation, this equation and this equation. So left hand side will divide separately and right hand side will divide separately. So after dividing, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DB is equals to half into base into height, half into base into. So what happens? half gets cancelled, EP gets cancelled, so you are left with AD by DB. We'll mark it as equation number 1. Similarly, we can do for this triangle also. We need AE. Now if we consider DQ, okay, DQ as the height of triangle ADE and DQ as the height of triangle DEC, because now we need AE and EC, so we need these two triangle ADE and EDC with respect to DQ as the height. Okay, so area of triangle ADE now will be half into base. Now if DQ is the height, which one is the base? AE. And if DQ is the height for this triangle, which is the base? EC. So again, similarly for this side also, half into base into height. So what happened? DQ cancels, half cancels, AE. But if you see carefully the figure, okay, you'll see that this triangle BDE and triangle ECED, they lie on the same base DE, right? And they are between two parallel lines. So it says that if two triangles shares the same base and are between two parallel lines, then the area of those triangles are equal. So DBE and CDE, they are on the same base DE and between same parallel lines DE and BC, so their areas are equal. Done? So area of triangle DBE equals to area of triangle DEC. Next what we'll do is, we'll take the reciprocal of it. So if we take the reciprocal of it, we'll get something like this, right? Next what we'll do is, we'll multiply both sides by area of triangle ADE. We'll get something like this, multiplying by area of triangle ADE. So we have area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DBE equals to area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC. So what will happen to the next line is, if you see equation number 2, what is there? Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC is equal to what? AE by EC. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle DEC, it is equal to what? AE by EC. Similarly, area of triangle ADE and area of triangle DBE is equal to what? AD by DB. We have shown in equation 1. So, hence AD by DB is equals to AE by EC using equation 1 and 2. So, this is BPT theorem. This is very easy. So, in exams, you might get state and proof BPT theorem, or state and proof Thales theorem, or the statement may be given to you and you just have to prove it. So for your knowledge and for your understanding, please read the statement first, draw the diagram, do whatever necessary construction is required, and solve. So all the very best for your exam, and I hope you've understood it. Thank you.